Hi guys, today we are learning class 9 6th chapter tissue. So let's begin. First question: what is a tissue? Answer: tissue is a group of cells that are similar in structure and are organized together to perform a specific task. Second question: what is a unit of tissue in multicellular organisms? Answer: the unicellular organism is a single cell perform all the basic functions such as respiration, movement, secretion, digestion, etc. But in multicellular organs, cells are grouped to form tissue. These tissues are specialized to carry out a particular function at a defined place in the body. For example, the muscular cells form muscular tissue, which help in movement. Nerve cell form a nerve tissue which is held to transmit of message. This is known as a division of labor. In multicellular organisms, it is because of the division of labor that multicellular organisms are able to perform all base function effectively. Page number 73, first question. Name type of simple tissue. Answer: simple permanent tissue are of three types: parenchyma, chlorenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma tissue is a further two type: parenchyma and chlorenchyma. Answer: where is apical meristem found? Answer: apical meristem is present at the growth tips of stems and roots. Their main function is to integrate growth in new cells of seeding and the tip of roots and shoots. Question 3. Which tissue make up the husk of coconut? Answer: the husk of coconut is made up of scleran tissue. Scleran tissue is a dead tissue. Okay, the scleran tissue is made up of dead cells. So we go further. Fourth question: what are the constitution of phylum? Answer: the phylum is a food conducting tissue in plant. It is made up of four compounds: silver tube, compassion, phloem, schema, phloem fiber. Page number 77. First question: name the tissue responsible for movement in our body. Answer: muscular tissue is responsible for movement in our body. Second question: what does a nuclear look like? Answer: a nuclear consists of a body with a nucleus and cytoplasm. It has two important excisions known as a X and dendritic. An X is an long thread-like section of nerve cells that transmit influence always from the cell body. Determine, on other hand, are thread-like threads of cell body that receive nerve impulse. Thus, the axle transmit impulse away from the cell body, which as the ring receive nerve cell, which containing function helps in transmit fusion very quickly. Here are a diagram. You can see nerve cell. This diagram is about nerve cell. Okay. So we go further. Third question: give three features of cardiac muscular. Answer: three features of cardiac muscular are evolved muscular that contract repeatedly do not get friction. Second, the cell are cardiac muscular are sclerotrical brand and units created. Third, the control of concentration of relax of the heart. Fourth question, what are the function of aerosol? The function of aerosol, it is help support internal organs. Second, it helps in repairing the tissues of the skin and muscles. Exercise. First question. Define the term tissue. Answer. A group of cell is known. A group of tissue is a group of cells that are similar in structure and are organized together to perform a specific task. Second, how many types of element together make up the skeletal tissue? Name them. Answers. There are four different types of cells that make up a skeletal tissue. They are, here are names you can see. Then we go further. Third question, how are similar simple tissue different from complex tissue in plants? Answer, simple tissue and complex tissue. This simple tissue, this tissue consists of only one type of cells. These tissue are made up of more than one type of cell. Second, the cells are more or less similar in structure and performance. Function. Different type of cells perform different function. For example, in skeletal tissue, traction help in water transport there, whereas parenchyma store foods. Third, three type of simple tissue in plant: parenchyma, chlorenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Two type of tissue: complex tissue, permanent and tissues in plant and skeletal. Question 4. Different between parenchyma, chlorenchyma, and sclerenchyma on the base of their cell walls. Answer. Here are some difference. You can take a screenshot. So we go further. Fifth question. What are the function of stomata? Answer. The function of stomata, they allow the exchange of gases CO2 and CO with the atmosphere. Second, vaporization of water from the leaf surface occurs through the stomata. Thus, the stomata helps in process of transport. Second question. Sorry, sixth question. Diagrammatical show the difference between the three type of muscular fibers. Answer. The three type of muscular fibers are patent muscular, smooth muscular, and interpatent muscular fiber, and carotid muscular. Shaded muscular, shaded muscular, and here are diagrams. Three type of musculars. Okay, so we go further. Seventh question: what is the specific function of a cardiac muscular? Answer. The specific function of cardiac muscular is to control the concentration of relaxation of the heart. Eighth question: different between state, unsteady, and cardiac muscular on the basis of their structure, size, location in the body. Here are some diagrams. You can see there are difference. So we go forward. Question 9. Draw a level diagram of nerve. Here nerve cell diagram. 10. Question. Name the following tissue that form the internal wing of our mouth. B. Tissue that alternate muscle to bone in human. C. Tissue that transport food in plants. Tissue that store fat in our body. Connecting tissue with a further mixture. Tissue present in brain. Answer. Tissue that form the inner of mouth is tissue. B. Tissue that connect muscular to bone in human is regular and connecting tissue tendon. C. Tissue that transport food in plant is phloem. And D. Tissue that store food in our body is endopositive tissue. E. Connective tissue with a fluid mixture blood tissue present in brain nerve cell tissue nervous tissue. 11th question. Identify the type of tissue in the following square: bark of tree, bone, lignin of tuberoscular, and here that much not important. 12th question. Name the region in which parenchyma tissue is present. This question is not that much important, okay? So we go further. Name the region in which the parenchyma tissue is present. Leaf, fruits, and flowers are the region with the parenchyma tissue is present. Question 13. What is the role of ether in plant? Epidermis is present on the outer surface of entering plant body. The cell of the interior cells from a continuous layer without any intercellular space. It performs the following important function. It is a protective tissue of the plant body. The protection the plant against major injury. It allows exchanging of gases through the stomata. And 14th question. How does the cork act as a positive productive tissues? Answer. The outermost protective layer of bark of a tree is known as a core. It is made up of a dead cell, therefore it is protective the plant against mechanical injury, temperature, extreme, etc. It also prevents the loss of water by vaporization. Question 15. Complete the table. Here are one table. You can write answer in comment box. So comment all answers. Here are also answers. So we go further. So how this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel.